Hello everyone, today I want to introduce our 16x18 series development board. This board, you can see from here, the size for the modem is 16x18mm, and you can see from here it has one micro USB connector port, one UART port, one SIM card slot, and 3 antenna pedestals. For the antenna pedestals, you can see from here, this is for the BT antenna, and this one is for the FPC antenna, and this one is for the GPS antenna. And for this board, if you want to use it, you need to use power key to open the development board. When you connect it with the computer, you need to use this to connect the GND and the VVD, like these two. And for a few seconds, and after that the light will turn on here, and when the green light turns on, it means everything is okay. You can see from here, this is a correct use of the development board. And before using this board, you need to download the driver of the modem, and after you download the driver, you can use SIMCOM to test the modem. First, you need to choose this port, and then use the SIMCOM 80 command to control it. This is the correct output. Thank you.